Okay, so we're back. Here's my, I know, I gotta do for 2 minutes. First step, we're here. Hold it in the center. Tell them, 2 more. Last time. So let's do a cross step. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking good. Now let's do the opposite leg. 2 more. Last time. So I got cross and push. Tap, over, cross, tap, over, cross, and push 1 more. Tap, over, cross. Now walk it up. Back it up. Walk it up. Back it up. Cross step for 2. Cross step for 2. Walk it up. That's my wiggle. It's your tap 2. Hold it center. So here's my opposite move. It goes single, 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 single. So that's my attitude. Low, 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 low. Walk it up. Back it up. 1 more. I want you to do that cross step. Give me some motivation. Give me that cross step for 2. So we're doing those cross, single, single. Two more. 1 more. So let's do our double tap. Tap, tap, cross, and lift. I'm going double, double. 1, 2. Single, single, single. It's my single, single, double. Last 2. Tell them. Cross it. Single, single, double. So add that leg up. Cross step. Okay. Let's see what happens.